Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another repair video. Now today we have an Auking Mini projector that has no signs of life and won't power on. Now I suspect that one of the issues might be a power supply issue or a loose cable issue. Now follow me as I take this device apart to find out which of those might be the issue. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and follow, because that will be greatly appreciated. Now come along on this journey with me as I try to discover what might be the issue causing this device not to power on. Now upon investigation, it seems that a cable might not be seated properly. Now I'm going to remove this power supply, reseat that cable, and test the device for functionality. Now I'm gonna just be checking this power supply for any damaged component or damage to the power supply itself. Alright, so visually no damaged component was found, so I'm gonna reseat that cable and reinstall the power supply and test. Alright, so there you have it. One of the issues was just a loose cable. Now I'm gonna put this device back together again and test it for a second time.